Russia's Soyuz spacecraft has docked successfully at the International Space Station. An American astronaut and 2 Russian cosmonauts blasted off from Kazakhstan on Monday. It was first manned launch since an unmanned cargo rocket crash shortly after launch in August. Should we catch up with the weather right down here? Nina's here. Afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, Louise. Thank you very much. Yesterday we saw a fair amount of sunshine, but I think the balance today is perhaps in favour of the cloud, and through the afternoon there will be a fair amount of that across the country. Yet again, we're going to look at the satellite picture to tell us the story, because some holes across parts of northern Scotland, down towards the East Anglia, but plenty of cloud out towards the west as well. There are also some breaks in the English Channel, so at times we may see some brighter spells, but a lot of Kent and Sussex staying overcast throughout the afternoon, with temperatures around about 10 to 11 degrees. We have got some brightness through the East Midlands and parts of East Anglia. Again, a bright afternoon through parts of northern England and eastern Scotland. But around the Moray Firth, that fog is fairly stubborn, and Inverness feeling quite chilly with temperatures of just 4 degrees. It's a cloudy afternoon for Northern Ireland, but here we should see some patchy light rain through the afternoon. We'll also start to see some rain through Pembrokeshire, but much of Wales should stay dry during daylight hours. However, the rain continues to be quite heavy across parts of Cornwall. That rain is going to push its way northwards and eastwards this evening and overnight tonight. At times, some heavier downpours to the northern end, but further south, I think it will peter out, so it turns rather patchy and light, the rain by dawn. A lot of cloud tonight, so we're staying frost-free at 6 to 8 degrees. A touch chillier for Northern Ireland, with some clearer spells developing here later in the night. That leads to a bright start at first for Northern Ireland. For many, it's going to be a cloudy start to the day. We've got the remainder of that weather front through northern Scotland and East Anglia, so a few spots of rain at times. Following on, a slice of sunshine before more cloud and rain moves into Northern Ireland, along with some strong winds here later on in the afternoon. Temperatures for Scotland and Northern Ireland, 10 to 11 degrees. For England and Wales, given some brightness, we could get highs of 13 to 14 Celsius. Much of England and Wales should stay dry on Friday, but at the moment it looks like it will be fairly cloudy. Some brightness possible to the southeast corner, and we've still got a weather system bringing with it some cloud and some rain to Scotland and Northern Ireland. Temperatures 13 to 15 degrees, so certainly staying on the mild side. And that takes us into the weekend forecast. A bit of a battle here between weather fronts to the north and west, and high pressure really trying to build in from Europe. At the moment, the forecast looks like it will be the high pressure which should win for most of us, giving us a generally dry weekend. It still looks fairly cloudy, with the possibility of some rain in the north and west, but at least staying on the mild side, with highs around about 14 to 15 degrees.
Nina, thanks very much. At 1:30, a reminder of our top story. More gloomy news